Hey there, fellow travelers. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind. How much money do you need to travel to Japan daily? I've got some valuable Japan travel tips to help you save both time and money. Let's jump right into it. 1. Budgeting basics. First things first, let's talk budgeting. Japan can be both exhilarating and expensive, but with a solid plan, you can make the most of your trip without breaking the bank. 2. Accommodation hacks. When it comes to accommodation, consider options beyond the fancy hotels. Look into hostels, guest houses, or even capsule hotels for a unique experience that won't drain your wallet. 3. Transportation tricks. Now, transportation is the backbone of your daily adventures. Invest in Rail Pass for cost-effective travel between cities. Within cities, use prepaid transportation cards like Suica or Pasmo for seamless and discounted rides on trains and buses. 4. Affordable eats. Let's talk food, one of the best parts of any trip. Explore local markets and grab affordable meals from street vendors. Don't shy away from convenience stores, they offer a variety of delicious and budget-friendly options. 5. Lunch specials rule. Here's a pro tip: opt for lunch specials. Many restaurants offer discounted lunch menus with portions just as hearty as their dinner servings. It's a win-win for your taste buds and your wallet. 6. Explore nature. For free nature lovers, rejoice. Japan is dotted with beautiful parks and temples that often have free entry. Enjoy a day surrounded by cherry blossoms or take a stroll through serene gardens without spending a yen. 7. Museum and attraction passes. If you plan on exploring museums and attractions, consider purchasing city passes or bundled tickets. They often provide significant discounts and can save you both time and money. 8. Stay in less touristy areas. Escape the tourist crowds and explore lesser-known areas. Not only will you discover hidden gems, but prices for accommodations, meals, and souvenirs tend to be more budget-friendly in these off-the-beaten-path locations. 9. Embrace the convenience of technology. Let's talk tech. Leverage travel apps for real updates on transportation, translation assistance, and even last-minute deals on accommodation activities. Your smartphone can be your best friend when it comes to saving time and money. 10. Plan, but be flexible. Last but not least, have a rough itinerary, but be open to spontaneity. Unexpected opportunities and discoveries often lead to some of the best travel experiences. Plus, it can help you adapt to budget-friendly options on the go. And there you have it, your guide to saving time and money while traveling in Japan. With a bit of planning, flexibility, and these insider tips, you can make the most of your Japanese adventure without burning a hole in your pocket. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your money-saving tricks in the comments below. Safe travels, and until